Welcome, traveler, to Medieval Meals. Episode 5, Apple Fritters. I bring glad tidings. The Lord of the Land has gifted me apples for me efforts in restoring the deceased queen. Sadly, he has disallowed the use of the court oven, but we will make do. In the meantime, grab some lukewarm ale from the town drunkard. Combine 1/4 cup of ale with yeast in a bowl and allow it to set for 10 minutes. In the meantime, make sure that there are no witnesses to your transgressions. Add flour from the Lord's licensed miller, along with egg yolks, more ale, and finally your apples. Mix it and allow it to rise until it's thicker than a dragon's hide. Fry dollops of it in a vat of oil until it's radiant and gilded as the golden age of Camelot. Serve and top it off with a sprinkling of sugar as light as mithril. The fritters were as sweet as a maiden's kiss. The apples provided a nice bite to the dish, sufficient for a hungry peasant like me. Anyways, farewell, traveler, and follow for the next episode of Medieval Meals.